For the second part of this introduction, I'm logged in as a test student, and I've got a test student here in my summer classroom so that you can see some things that have already been accomplished. So I'm here at the home screen, and again, this is for my summer course. But for this test student, I wanted to show you a few things here at the side. So there are some common pages and some recent changes, and as I do updates, you'll see some pages pop up here. But if you scroll down, you'll see some recent feedback. So as I grade items in the Canvas classroom, the recent feedback will show up right here. Keep in mind though that all of the actual grades will get transferred over to Connect Math. Connect Math is where our official grade book is, but you can see what your scores are here. I typically upload them, by the midterm and then again by the final exam to put them there with your quiz scores. But I wanted to show you that you can view any feedback here. The other place that you can view feedback is by going to the grades. Again, I'm logged in as a test student, and the test student obviously hasn't done really well in class. But if you take a look, there are grades here, so scores for each of the assignments, and there are also some grade details. So you can click on the grade details. I'm going to go down to the Dateability Survey and Discussion Board because I know that I put some details there. I've got a comment and some scoring details, and a rubric is attached to this particular assignment. So I can click on the comment, and the comment shows up right here. It says you have some work to do, test student. And then the scoring details will also show up there, and then the rubric results. But you can see all of these together in one screen by going ahead and clicking on the assignment name. So if I click on the assignment name, I've got the comments, I've got the rubric, which I can open up, and it shows what everything was worth and how many points I got as a test student on that. And I can click this closed, and then anything else that might show up, and then there's my comment there. So that's one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do up here in the top toolbar along with grades is the calendar. Let me go ahead and click on the calendar. Again, this is summer quarter, but summer quarter is more interesting right now because there are more assignments. And you'll notice that all of the assignments show up on a calendar. And you can go ahead and scroll through the calendar. So I've got the due dates for July and the due dates for August. Everything's updated here in the summer calendar, but for fall, I will have everything updated all at once through the midterm, and then I'll go ahead and do a second round and get everything updated midterm through the final exam. A lot of these will take you right to, let's see, so do project topic, do sample project. Some of these will go ahead and take you right to the assignment themselves, or at least to some information about the assignment. We already talked about this. Oh, let's see, and to get back, go back to courses and then click on the course that you wanted to view. There are some other options here along the side. You can go directly to the syllabus, you can find a list of students in the class, you can go directly to discussions, but I really find that the best way to navigate through the classroom is to either start with the home menu here, go to the modules list. If you want to go ahead and post a question or a comment to the general group, you can do that here, or you can go to the modules list here. So I tend to just skip right over all of the other tabs here on the side, and I use the modules list. And it's just a great way to navigate through the classroom. Be sure to also take a look at the video, or I think there are two, the videos that show you how to use Connect Math.